Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope we are all well. Today I am showing in a simple things in QGIS software. So let's start. Today I am showing in how to solve this processing toolbox. This is the missing in this software. So how to show in this processing toolbox. So let's start. At first you open in your QGIS software and then click in plugin, and then you show in the manage and install plugin, then click manage and install plugin. After that you seen this all things, all installation, upgradable, install others, etc etc. Then you select in install tab, and then you seen this processing toolbox, that it's this is the uncheck processing toolbox. So then you think you click this processing toolbox, and then you saw in this upper QGIS upper corner and processing toolbox, then and close. After that you click this processing, and then after that in this click this toolbox, and the toolbox is open in this QGIS software. And there's after that you working in anything, anything processing any toolbox. Thank you for in this video. So I think in this video you will help us. uh, Thank you.